The Tree and the Bramble Bush. One summer day, a bird landed on the branch of a large tree. The bird noticed that the bush was full of bramble bushes and asked, "Why have you moved so close to this big tree?" The bramble bush replied, "We have to be in the shade, to stay out of the hot sun that will dry us out." The bird then asked the big tree, "Are you not annoyed by those bramble bushes that steal your food?" The tree answered, "Not at all. The brambles protect my roots from animals who chew on them and weaken them." Everything has a value and a purpose of its own.